If your content is not entertaining, people will skip it. Again, very short attention span. So if your content is not entertaining, people will skip it. So for all you guys making content, making music videos, or making anything to promote your music and it's not entertaining, you're gonna get a very low conversion rate. What's up guys, it's Adrian. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment. Drop your TikTok handle in my comments, not the link, just the handle, and I'm going to go and follow you guys. So drop your TikTok handle in the comments. So TikTok is a social media platform very similar to Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. However, TikTok is focused on video content. 15 seconds to 3-minute video. The shorter the video, the better. So if you are creating TikTok content, try to keep it between 15 and 30 seconds. Why? Is because today people's attention span literally lasts 0.5 seconds. Not even a second. So if your content isn't catchy or engaging right off the bat, people are just gonna skip. People spend hours and hours and hours on this platform, and that's because it feeds on the dopamine that's being released from your short attention span. So if you want your music to go viral, you have to start creating entertaining content. If you want to give tips, make sure your tips are given in an entertaining way. If you want to have a lyric video, make sure your lyric video is given in an entertaining way. There's many ways you can deliver your music, but the key thing is it has to be entertaining. Literally, it's the only way to build interest around you as an artist as well as your music. If people hear your music and it's combined with something entertaining, first you're gonna grab their attention and they're gonna hear your music and they're gonna want to listen to it. So they're gonna go over to your profile, they're gonna click the link or search whoever you are on Spotify, and then go and stream your music. I coach a lot of artists with TikTok strategies, and they are getting hundreds of thousands of organic streams on every single platform. Any platform you want to grow, you have to get traffic from other mediums. So if you want to grow your Instagram, you have to create content on other platforms, which then drives people to your Instagram. If you want to get more streams on your music, you have to use other platforms to drive people to your Spotify. If you want to grow on TikTok, you have to use other platforms to drive traffic to your TikTok. However, TikTok is giving out a lot of organic plays, and that's because they're relatively new, and every single platform gives out a lot of free engagement, so people adapt and people go to that platform and start using it. For example, Instagram at one point would give you thousands of views and likes and reach, but then once a lot of people adapted to the platform, they started to reduce your reach, so you could start spending money to boost your posts so you can get that content in front of more people. Right now, TikTok is not at that stage. They're not going to reduce your views before putting you in front of thousands of people. However, once a lot of people adapt to the platform, they will start reducing your reach. Basically, what I'm saying is now is the time to get on the platform. So if you're an artist and you're not on TikTok, then you are missing out. Now, a lot of you guys probably have a reason why you're not on TikTok, and it may have something to do with you don't know what to post. Well, lucky for you, I created a document with over 50 examples of content that you can post on TikTok that has been doing very, very well. So if you guys are interested in this document, then under this video, there's gonna be a link where you can get the document. It is part of my artist development webinar course. So if you're interested in getting this document and understanding how to use TikTok to get more visibility as an artist or to get more people to listen to your music, then you're definitely gonna wanna check out that document with all the TikTok strategies in there. Another thing that will help you with growing on TikTok is being authentic. You want to show your true personality. You wanna stand out. You're unique, so you should be comfortable with showing yourself as a person, as an authentic person to the world. So people like authenticity. Another big strategy is to follow trends. If you get on trends early, you're gonna get thousands of views. But if you miss a trend and get on it later on, you're gonna miss out on all the free visibility. So if you do spot a trend, then make sure you're jumping on the trend as fast as possible, make it entertaining, and also use your own music. This will then eventually get people to want to stream your music. So the best way to start a trend is to experiment. Be different, get different ideas, be very creative, and put your music behind your content. Once it catches on, people are gonna want to remix that content. And if they remix it and your music is there, it's gonna get thousands of extra streams and plays and visibility on the platform. Again, this is free marketing. So rather than spending thousands of dollars on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube ads, just use platforms that are giving you free visibility, like TikTok. Again, if you're an artist and you're not on TikTok, then you are missing out. It's the only platform right now that's giving you lots and lots of free visibility. Even Instagram is trying to replicate it by giving you tons of free organic reach using Instagram Reels. So if you don't have a TikTok, make sure you go and create one today. If you don't know what to post, again, I have the document with tons of content ideas that you can use to start posting on TikTok. Now, if you are new to TikTok or you have a TikTok but don't have a lot of followers, then I'm gonna give you a goal. Your goal is to hit 1,000 followers. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you could then put a website link in your bio, and you can also start doing lives, which means anytime you have a new release, you can start going live so your followers can see you and engage with you directly on a live stream on TikTok. This way they can hear your music live, and you can use this as a way to drive them to your Spotify. So you don't want to just make content with your music on it, because you might not have any sort of recognition right now, so people may not stop and listen to it. This is why it's important for you to do entertaining content. If you do stuff that's entertaining, people will stop and give your music a chance. But if you're just doing content where you're singing to the camera, you may not convert well. If you want to convert well, you have to be entertaining. All right, guys, so I hope you found value from this video. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and drop your TikTok handle in the comments. Not the link, but your TikTok name. If you put a link, YouTube will put it in spam. So just drop your TikTok handle, and I'll go look you up and give you a follow.